trees. So I'm never going to get over that.
Oh, so Kim, every time you drive past, do you just yell at them or, you know, yell something out in your car?
You see, that's why you don't tailgate, dickhead.
So angry that they just assumed it was dangerous.
A photo of the whole forehead, and you can actually zoom in and you can see badly damaged. So I was, and the truck's going to go through. Scotty!
Yes, Scotty! Dickhead. Not you, Scotty.
You're coming on like you're my best friend. I know you'd like to think my life depends on you. Why don't you stop? Why don't you take a listen round? If your thoughts don't make a sound, why don't you change your way of thinking? If you're gonna make a run, boy, better make it fast.
Surprise, motherfucker.
If you're gonna make a big noise, better make it last. You're running.
Got him! Got him!
The shore while his uncle studied the tree stumps, puffing at his pipe, a manila rope coiled over his shoulder. He picked one out,
Fuck you.
and then turned it over using the roots for leverage until they got it half floating in the water. Trousers rolled.
What? Are you fucking alright?
Overtaking in the fucking emergency lane.
Lock the video.
Lock the video.
Wanker fights inequality and for people's rights. A wanker fights cross prejudice. A yobbo just fights. Yobbo wanker, wanker yob. Pass me the brush to tie ya. Make your choice, then live your life. Come on, pal, what are ya? What are ya? You a wanker. What are ya? You a wanker. What are ya?
Righto. What the fuck are you doing?
Come on, mate, you can speed up now. He's not doing. This guy's taking forever. What are you doing? I can't believe you missed your fucking turn off.
Maybe I should get my license again. Yeah.
Can't tell the Broner Road because that's fucking hell. Red light, fucking idiots.
Like he didn't take it for a third try. Yeah, doesn't sound too much. Wow. There you go, mate. That goes to show you what fucking idiots there are here. That's fucked.
You know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
You fucking asshole!
What the fuck is that?
Oh, shit you. Oh, shit you. Bloody turd.
Are you fucking alright?
Overtaking in the fucking emergency lane.
Lock the video.
Lock.
Whoa! Fucking hell.
That's one for Scotty.